What's up, guys? We got Hutchswelding here. He's really into Taylor Swift.
Love Taylor Swift.
Yeah, not that Taylor Swift. What Taylor Swift are we talking about?
About my truck, the 1963 twin turbo Coyote F100. It's a Gen 1. It's a Gen 1 Coyote, and it's still on pump gas, and it only makes 600 horsepower.
Really?
But it rips. I mean, it's just the way it's set up. It just kills tires.
You build trucks?
Yeah, that's what we do. We build custom trucks, high or low.
We're out here at Fordera's booth, and you've done some work for him on Gold Dust.
Yeah, we've done some work for Gold Dust, and we're actually looking to do some more work on this new Clyde carbon fiber truck that's coming out.
Something that people don't know about, you used to drift.
I did used to drift, man. I actually got that truck to get away from drifting, and now we're kind of more or less getting back into it.
Drift your truck?
Pretty much.
Full circle. Tell us about your truck. I mean, you're building yourself. I know your specialty is welding.
Titanium is our current specialty. All the intercooler plumbing and exhaust.
It's all over your truck.
Oh yeah. Titanium all the way. No, it's actually bone stock, but with the upgrades that we're doing, we're actually going to be putting it on the 85 to get a little bit more, primarily cooling out of it, because I'll just let the cat at back. We're going to get started doing some serious burnouts. That's
Drifting
what's happening.
it.
We're going to be drifting it, spinning it around,
Cool,
maybe
man.
get out of the truck. I don't know if I'll have time.
Just gotta stand there and be like.
Yeah, man.
So, what's the front end? What's the rear?
So the front's a Crown Vic front clip. Nobody made anything for it when I first built it. It's probably been like 7 or 8 years now. And I just custom made everything. I made basically a front half, just frame rails, just all box stuff. I just plated it. And then the rear's an Explorer 8.8.
Yeah.
So it's super narrow, so I was able to fit like nice deep lip wheels back there. It's a custom four-ling. Again, nobody made anything. I just made my own. I just got some heims, some tubing, some brackets, and just started fabricating.
If you don't know this guy, you can find him on Instagram, Facebook?
Yeah, everything, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, it's all under Hutchswelding.
There you go. Where are you located at?
We're in Stuart, Florida.
That's cool. If you guys need any work, find this guy. But honestly, go check out his truck. One of my favorite trucks. So he's probably going to have a lot of content on his Instagram, so definitely go check him out. And thank you, man. I appreciate it, buddy.
Craig, it's always nice seeing you, man.
All right.
Take care, buddy.
See you, buddy.